Our lesson for today is still under quadratic inequalities. This is our example 2 for this topic. Today is Wednesday, October 20, 2021. For example 2, we have sabi dito no, find the solution of x squared plus x minus 6 is greater than 0. So for step 1, express the inequality to equation. Identify the values of a, b, and c. So we have x squared plus x minus 6 is greater than 0. Papalitan natin ng equal sign. X squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. And then we identify the values of a, b, and c. The a is 1, b is 1, c is negative c. Kahapon, hindi ito yung step 2 natin. Mayroon akong siningit ngayon. Inayos ko na rin yung kahapon. Kailangan kasi nating malaman ang nature of the roots. Bakit? Sabi dito sa step 2, determine the nature of the roots using the discriminant. Alam natin yun. Tinuro ko yan. Why? Because if the nature of the roots is imaginary, that means there is no solution and we don't need to continue solving. Kaya, kumbaga, mapapaikli yung time natin sa pag-solve kung alam natin ang nature of the roots. Tignan natin, So, the nature of the roots ay b squared minus 4ac. We substitute yung a. Yan, a is 1, b is 1, c is negative 6. Then, we compute. The result is positive 25. So, sabi ko dyan, since the discriminant is 25, it is greater than 0 and a perfect square. That means that the roots are real, rational, and unequal. Real, hindi yung sabing real na totoo. Real numbers kasi ang kalaban ng real numbers ay imaginary numbers. So, meron tayong real numbers. Tapos, yung roots daw na masusolve natin ay mga rational. Ano yung rational? Pwede siyang fraction, mga number na na-express as fraction. And, sila ay unequal. So, two distinct roots ang masosolve natin. Okay, step 3 na tayo, Sa step 3 ay, solve for x. Use the most appropriate method. Use the most appropriate method. What are the different methods that we can use? So, meron tayong extracting the square roots, na-discuss natin yun. Meron tayong factoring na regular. We have factoring na isa, yung using the AC method. We also have yung completing the square. We also have the using the quadratic formula. In this case, mas angkop na gamitin yung regular factoring. Paano ko nalaman? Nalaman ko yung na regular factoring kasi ito, x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0, yung unang-una, yung kanyang a ay 1, so hindi na kaagad sa AC method yun, kasi ang AC method more than 1. And then, dito naman, napansin ko kaagad na yung 6 ay madaling i-factor, di ba? 2 times 6 yan siya so, meron na tayong, alam na natin kaagad ang gagawin. Sinolve muna natin ang, wala pa iba to. Sorry, ito yung tama, Kasi ito yun, x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. So, factor natin, the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 2 is equal to 0. Dito, na madali lang, 6 siya, diba? Negative 6. Dahil ito ay product, sinasabi nito na magkaiba ng sign ng ating factors. Tapos ito naman ay sum positive. Sinasabi nito na doon sa magkaibang factors, yung malaking number must be positive. Kaya dito, magkaiba ng sign kaagad. Kasi dito, kung nakuha sa negative 6 na idea. Now, yung sum, dahil sa sum, nalaman ko na ang larger number must be positive. Kaya yung 3 ay naging positive, ang negative 2 ay negative. Then we equate each factor to 0. The result for x is negative 3. We equate x minus 2 to 0. The result is positive 2. Now we proceed to step 4. Sa step 4, Construct a number line showing or identifying the position of those values of x. Notice that the number line has been divided into 3 parts. So, ito yung na-compute natin na x, negative 3, at ito yung na-compute natin na isang x, positive 2. Kaya, dito makikita ninyo, bakit yung inequality nililipat natin sa equal sign? Para dito, para bang ito yung mga boundary na tatandaan natin. So, ito, ano ibig sabihin nito? Na yung mga dito, yung tinutukoy dito sa part na to ay mga numero na from negative infinity up to negative 3. Actually, hindi. Negative 2.999999 malapit sa negative 3. Dito naman, from negative 3 negative 3.1. No, dito kasi. Yes, negative 3.1. Hindi, negative 2.9 pala dyan kasi sunod negative 3. From negative 2.9999999 hanggang positive 1.9999999, yun ang sakop ng negative 3, 2. Okay? Dito naman, from 2.01, ganun, ano, start to, basta hindi exact sa 2, up to, oh no, may mali. Ito, dapat ito ay positive infinity. I-correct ko yan. Okay, paki-correct na lang dyan sa kopya nyo, ha. Ito, yung 2, positive infinity. Okay? Okay, sa step 5, test each part if it satisfies the inequality. Use a number in each of those parts that will serve as tester. Substitute the tester to the given inequality. X square, lumalabo, x square plus x minus 6 is greater than 0. Then determine if the result is true or false. Parts of number line. Ito na yung first part, second part, and third. Ayan. So, from negative infinity to negative 3, mas pinili ko ang negative 4 as tester kasi mas malapit sa negative 3 yan. Sa left side, And then, dito sa negative 3 to positive 2, pinili ko yung 0. Then, from positive 2 to positive infinity, ito ay, pinili ko ay 3. Ito paki-correct ito doon sa kanina. Positive infinity yan. So, pag sinubstitute natin ang negative 4 dito sa mga x na yan, katulad nito, 16 plus negative 4, anong result? That is positive 12 minus 6 is positive 6. Is 6 greater than 0? True. Okay, substitute natin ng 0. Ito 0 na yan, 0 na yan. Anong natira? Negative 6 is greater than 0. That is false. So, dito naman, yung 3. 3 yan, diba? 9 plus 3, 12 minus 6, 6 is greater than 0. True. So, sa first part, we have true. Sa middle, false. Dito sa kanan, true. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano ang ating step 6. Okay. Sa step 6, ayan Step 6. Determine the solution of x squared plus x minus 6 is greater than 0. On the graph, identify which should be the shaded part. Notice that the both ends of shaded part used open circle to indicate that numbers negative 3 and 2 are not parts excluded in the solution. So, ito na yung graph natin. Dahil dito nag-true, dito ay false, dito ay true, shaded, not shaded, shaded. Bakit open circle? Kasi, yan wala siyang equal sign. So, meaning hindi included ang negative 3 at positive 2 mismo. Solution. Ito yung i-state natin ng solution, from negative infinity to negative 3, union with positive 2 to positive infinity. Or that means, x is less than negative 3 and x is greater than